So today I'm going to show you the lesson 7, that is about Kirby-Bauer diffusion test. So it is the test of the antibiotics, that whether a microorganism is susceptible to antibiotic or is resistant to antibiotic, that we will be testing today. So for that I have taken this agar plate and I made 3 quadrants, and already I labeled them. And if you have seen the labeling which is at the edge, so one with novomycin in one quadrant, it's not quadrant anyway, in one section, and this is gentamicin in another section I marked, and in the last section I marked penicillin. And whatever one to you mark, like with your initial date and everything, you'll do. But remember that all the markings should be at the edge so that we can see from the top after all the reactions happen with the bacteria and the antibiotic. Okay, so what we are going to do today, we are going to make a lawn of bacteria. It is called a lawn because, like a lawn of grass, the bacteria will cover all of the agar plate. So for that, today we are using the sample, that is the broth that we have cultured from with our skin. So I'm taking that. So for that I'm taking one cotton swab ready, and make sure that you don't touch the tip of the cotton. Now I'm taking that and the human sample, and see I'm applying the aseptic technique, and then I'm taking my cotton swab inside and try to mix with everything as you see over there, and then I just take it out, and again closing my tube in aseptic method and keeping it. Okay, now with this cotton swab, look at it carefully. I am going to streak the plate, but it is not streaking, it is called making of the bacterial lawn. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the agar plate with my cotton swab all over. So what I do, I always do from top to bottom first, like how I'm doing, and make sure that I'm not leaving any place untouched. Then I again do the, hold it tightly because it is a small plate. I will do at right angle to the first streaking, so that the painting of the wall of agar is good. Okay, then I do from on the corner, from the corner side, and don't press it too hard because the agar is so thin, but make sure that you touch all the side, all the corner, everywhere, and no point is left untouched. So if you want, you can hold it against the light and make sure that you are touching everywhere and making the infection. Okay, make sure you touch the edges also clearly. So basically what we do like from top to bottom, and then at right angle do one more time like this, and then I tell my students to do like corner wise, and then again from the another angle do the corner wise. Okay, so in this way we do it. Now it's done, it will go to the bleach Anyway, so now I have to put the antibiotic tablets over here as mentioned. So you see my tweezer is here. So this is already sterilized in alcohol. So I'll get rid of the excess alcohol over here, and then I'm going to take the antibiotic tablet from over here, a small packet they have provided. Okay, this one is gentamicin. So I will carefully go inside and take this tablet. So this is gentamicin. So I will look at the back and try to put the gentamicin at the center of this area, where in that area where it is written gentamicin. So it is done. I'll press a little bit so that it sits well. Don't press it too hard. So I'm going to take my next antibiotic tablet, that is Novobiocin. Okay, in the same way I'm going to get that tablet and got it, and I have to see where it is Novobiocin. So I'm putting it at the center because I'm trying to keep as much space on the two side, on the third side, so that I can calculate the zone of inhibition. Next, another tablet, that is penicillin, is left. So I'm going to take that penicillin and I'm putting it over here. I don't need to see at the back because only penicillin is empty, so I'm keeping it over here. Okay, and press a little. So this is done, the today's lab. So next day we'll see a lot of bacteria. If any of the antibiotics work, then we will see that no bacteria is growing around that tablet, and you should go through the lab and know about the information that which antibiotic tablet will work for gram-positive bacteria well, because mostly the gram-positive bacteria like Staphylococcus epidermidis are found on our skin. So you can match your result with that. So that's it for today's lab. I'm going to disinfect everything now. Thank you.